Welcome to this brief video presentation of Vector Command's Command Support System, the operational support tool from the Emergency Command System suite. The Command Support System is designed to capture and share in real time a common operational picture. It is built to provide situational awareness at all levels of command and record for audit the evolution of an incident via the information known at any particular time. This common operational picture can be shared between users at different locations. These range from around the incident site, upwards to the operations center, and outwards into other organizations. Using modern data communications, information is passed between different CSS stations, populating for everyone to view the different modules in CSS. The home page shown here is a file service configuration, displaying the National Decision-Making Model as an aid memoir and soft workflow guide. From the home screen, the user logs into an existing incident log, joining the network of users for that incident, and using and contributing to the common operational picture. If a user with sufficient system privileges is first on the scene, and their computer-aided dispatch system hasn't automatically already created an incident log for them, they can create a new incident to which everyone else on the network can join. Following the decision-making model of gathering information, formulating a plan, implementing the plan and review, any user can gather information from a wide range of sources using the integrated web browser. Information accessible via a web browser, such as information like the Environment Agency flood warning site, Google Earth satellite pictures, or the organization's own intranet information providing plans and documents, can all be drawn into the common operational picture by all users both on scene and at fixed locations, such as back at headquarters. The command and organizational hierarchy of the incident can be illustrated using the organizational chart module, deploying roles and assets to first illustrate one's plan and then resource one's plan when resources become available. Any integrated information provided about an asset can be viewed by interrogating the organizational chart component and viewing the information dialog. Information shown can range from equipment on a vehicle to training skills of personnel, even to the blood type of an individual. A picture speaks 1,000 words, and the Instant Imagery module in CSS allows still pictures or live video feeds to be distributed across the entire CSS network for everyone to see. Live CCTV or instant ground cameras can be integrated for real-time imagery, and photos added to provide situational information for remote experts to analyze. An image of a suspect can be distributed in seconds for everyone to see. The virtual whiteboard allows users to annotate and illustrate a screen grab of any of the CSS modules. Each screen grab is uploaded to every user, allowing them the opportunity to interact, annotate, and contribute collectively. Connection to the widely used SmartBoard touchscreen system is already supported. As part of the desire to put as much of the organization's knowledge at the fingertips of those at the incident who need it, CSS has an interactive SOPs and action plan module, giving access to documentation and best practice procedural guides to the incident management team. The incident management team apportions those SOPs relevant, open, in operation, not relevant, and those finished and closed, with CSS allowing visual keys to tracking those activities. While radio remains the main course of instant ground communications, new technologies like instant messaging and video conferencing are available to offer different methods for different occasions. Instant messaging conversations may take place between a group of experts discussing a hazardous chemical leak and the best way to deal with it, while a monitoring officer may pass confidential information to a colleague on performance. Within the conferencing module, everything is recorded and reviewable, while video conferencing conversations are recorded for review and audit. CSS also provides a decision and policy log, capable of recording and distributing user entries for both policy decisions and general information. These entries are time-stamped and recorded into the instant log, along with other user acknowledgements to track the wider awareness of such statements. When the system is integrated with computer-aided dispatch systems and other organization systems, mainstream radio messages can also be logged here, allowing review of the message history. Much of the data gathered and used today has some sort of geospatial element to it, providing a location to put it into context on the incident ground. CSS has an advanced yet simple to use GIS module, allowing real-time independent map annotation and control. Using the layers control, different GIS information can be displayed and interrogated, information such as hydrant and risk databases for the fire service application. Any information the organisation holds in a GIS database can be populated into CSS and interacted with by every user at the same time. CSS is a new concept. It sits in a new space. It is designed to sit alongside your organisation's existing databases and integrates to move the information from headquarters down into the hands of the incident command team. From local and national government to the operations centre to the mobile incident command vehicles and out into the incident ground itself on toughened laptop computers to connect forward commanders with the entire command structure. We hope this short and brief presentation has been useful. But to see the full benefit of the system, we would be delighted to present to you, either in person or via a live web presentation. For further information, please contact Vector Command on the number shown here. Hope to hear from you soon.